Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get an overdraft in Monzo. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Go to the Help Center and search for getting an overdraft. Tap the home icon, then tap your profile picture. Scroll down to your personal account and select Learn About Overdraft. If you're not eligible, this section will explain why. If you are eligible, just tap Set Up Overdraft. Monzo Bank checks eligibility based on its own data and credit agencies like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Check your eligibility won't affect your credit score. If approved, you'll also see your eligible overdraft limit. Already have an overdraft? Just tap Manage Your Overdraft to adjust it. And that's it. That's how to get an overdraft in Monzo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.